Hey guys, welcome to Mishi Blue Tarot. Welcome to my channel. This is Neelam, and I'm back for all of you with another reading today. So today I'm doing this right in the morning when I'm just fresh, and I really wanted to do a question. I thought of doing it yesterday, but yesterday it just did not come to me. So, I'm doing the weekly check in for you guys on the current thoughts and feelings of your person, people who are in talking terms or in separation. Please make sure that you're not in too long a separation as well. Like, if it's been like more than a year or two that you both are not talking, I would recommend you don't watch this video because then there is a energetic lag between the two of you. So, I don't know if you'll be able to connect to the energies of the person. And also, guys, one more thing. I understand love exists, love is a beautiful feeling, but holding your life back for somebody is not what love teaches you. So, understand this thing and take your decisions wisely. Just a small piece of advice. I don't know if somebody had to hear this, I've just said it. So, as you can see, I have three piles here laid out for you guys. Pile 1 is the Lapi Lazuli crystal. Pile number 2 is the rose quartz crystal. And pile 3 is the green aventurine crystal. So you can think about your person, pause, take a deep breath, relax, and choose your pile. I'll pause for 2-3 seconds. Alright, so we'll begin with pile 1, the Lapi Lazuli. So I've picked up 3 cards from 3 different decks to see what are your person's energies, and I'll be clarifying further with more cards, more tarot cards, and I'll see if I'm pulled towards a particular deck, I will use that. So let's dive into it. Let's see what is your person's current energies towards you at the moment. So here's the Lapi Lazuli. The Master. 5 of Wands. Page of Cups. Okay. Alright, so pile 1, whoever chose this pile. Firstly, your person is keeping their feelings caged. Now, the reason why they're keeping their feelings caged is because of a lot of other people involvement, and the situation is complicated. Okay? I also feel that they are offering something to you, but that's too small, and I understand that. But for them, it's a big thing. Whatever they're giving you, for them, that's what they can give you at the moment. All right? I do sense that this person could be stuck in something karmic, something which they are not being able to escape, and how should I put it across? Something that just keeps bothering them. This could be related to you, this could be related to any other thing for that matter. Okay? I am also seeing that whatever this person is giving you is not good enough for you, and I understand that. But I also see this that they are being able to do this also. Like, I mean, I'm not being able to express it, but yeah, whatever they're giving you is also with a lot of difficulty, but they're still doing it because obviously they have something for you. And if you look at this Master card, this is the Devil card, which is portrayed as the Master card in the John Holland deck. This person is very protective about their heart also. Like, maybe they've been very shattered in the past, and you've been able to kind of penetrate through these feelings, but again, the fear exists. However, there are other external obstacles also, but the fear is also there. But again, this person doesn't want to give up on you or this connection. This person wants to be around you. And they are extending something towards you which they feel has a potential. Okay? But yeah, there are other people involved here which could be causing issues between the two of you. Now, I don't know how many of you are resonating with it, but yeah, there are other people involved who could be causing this, or maybe it's like, to get to you, this person has to like clear a lot of clutter on the path which is there already to reach you. That's what I'm seeing. However, they're not giving up. Let's see, what else is this person currently thinking and feeling for you? Knight of Wands, the Lovers, Four of Wands. I think this person is already in a relationship or they are married, and a decision has to be taken from their end, all right? And that's precisely the reason why this person is very conflicted. I'm actually seeing that they are quite passionate about you, all right? But there are two things on their way. Like they basically need to choose between two people. One is you, and the other is another situation. And in both the instances, with the Four of Wands, I'm seeing that this person is looking for stability. Okay. And since we're looking at their energies towards you, you do seem to be like stability for this person. But then again, it's a choice. And they are, let me just get one card on this Lovers card. Yeah. And the decision is difficult. The decision is scary. And because it is scary, this person takes a pause. This person doesn't decide on something immediately, or rather, they try to delay the decision because it is difficult for them to reach a common point. Okay, this person really wants a peaceful life. So right now it is not peaceful, but going forward, what they're looking for is a peaceful life. So anything that could disrupt that peace, this person will run away from that. Okay. The fear is very strong, like maybe because their peace has been like disrupted, so the fear in them is very strong, which kind of makes them scared that, okay, if I again land up taking a decision in the heat of the moment, I might again land up in a soup, and I don't want to do that. That's their way of thinking. Okay, that's what they think. So they constantly dwell in this energy. All right. Now, let's see what is the advice for you here, pile one. Because this person seems to be here. We'll see what you should do. Six of Swords fell out, so I'm going to take it. Page of Cups, Three of Pentacles. Okay, now see, I know that what this person is giving is small, but I did mention this in the beginning that whatever this person is giving, even though it is small, they are fighting a lot. So you should see the effort. Notice the effort that this person is putting in. And you got to be optimistic. Like, if you feel that no, I mean, if you go ahead with this in a very negative frame of mind, then I don't see anything happening in your connection. Okay? There is a scope in the future. There is something that can happen in the future, something good between the two of you. Your relationship can bloom. It can be worked upon. All right? But the point is that if you are not optimistic about it, then it is difficult. Okay? I am seeing that try to look at the situation from their lens as well. See, I will only tell you what I pick up from the cards. This is their energy. So, again, decision is up to you. But I am just saying that if you can do this, then it might just help your relationship if you're keen on fixing it. I think you should go for what they're giving you and give it some more time and see where this goes. That's what I'm picking up over here. Alright, so that's what I have for you, pile 1. I hope this reading resonates with you. Private reading information is given in the description box, so you can choose from there. And also, guys, I have 2 pages on Instagram. One is for tarot, the other one is for crystals. So if you're interested in buying crystals, the link is there in the description box again, so you can check out that page. I shall see you soon with more readings, and please feel free to reach out for private readings. Just drop me an email or a text. All of the details are there. Take care. Bye. Okay, so let's move to pile 2. Whoever chose this rose quartz crystal. So picked up 3 cards from 3 decks. We'll see what are the energies of your person currently. I'll be picking up more cards. Sorry, I was just taking a sip of my coffee. Since I'm doing this right in the morning, I felt like it. So I'll see what are the energies currently, and then I'll be picking up more tarot cards to see what comes through. Alright, let's see. Choose your battles. The Wheel of Fortune. 6 of Athamas, which is the 6 of Swords. Your person is standing at a crossroad, for sure. There are 3 paths open for them, for sure. And whatever decision they take is going to decide their fate. Since we're looking at their energies towards you, I feel one option is you. Okay? And right now, your person could be quite withdrawn. They might not be talking. They might not be expressing their dilemma. I see them in a state of heavy dilemma right now. They might not be talking right now. Okay? Let me get a card on this Choose Your Battles. Let's see. What is this card about? High Priestess. Oh God. This person is utterly confused. Very confused. And I have a feeling it's a lot in their mind. Okay, and this you are somewhere involved in this confusion. This person right now, I'll tell you, they're not thinking about anything. I will just be honest about what I'm picking up in terms of energies. This person is not right now involved in any, they just want to be relaxed. They're in that mind frame that just leave me alone. At this point, they are so confused that they don't want to talk, one, and they just want to be alone. Because this card, if you look at this card, this person has done so much of overthinking that they have confused the whole situation for themselves. I'm not saying who's at fault. They might be at fault, but just saying that this is their mental state. So if they are not talking to you, so then please don't blame them, because this is what they are going through. I understand this situation, because usually there are a lot of people who do not want to talk when they are very confused. And your person is like one of them who doesn't prefer to talk when they are extremely baffled. All right. Um, I also somewhere feel that this person could be looking for opportunities to travel. They don't want to, like, because they want to be alone. So, right now, their energy is that they want to be alone. All right, let me see more. I have a feeling they're confused because of a number of priorities. This is not like option one, option two, option three. I think along with you, there are so many other responsibilities that this person has, it just bogs them down. All right. Let's see what else. What else is this person currently thinking and feeling? Yeah, I saw the Two of Cups card. Well, let's see if it comes out again. Four of Swords, Knight of Wands, Nine of Swords. Okay. This person, yes, they're trying to calm their mind. You can see the card speaking for itself. They are trying to calm their mind as much as possible. Because again, the whole idea is not to take a hasty decision anywhere, and be as much sane while deciding or while saying something to someone as much as possible. See, right now I feel that this person could be at one point feeling very pushed to come towards you, then again there's another point when they're like no. So they are constantly in this energy of back and forth with you. And that bothers them, and they probably know that you are annoyed about this whole thing, but it's like it's there in their mind. But yes, that's the reason why they're keeping silent. For a lot of you, I feel whoever has chosen this pile, I think you both are not talking to each other right now, or even if you are, then it's a very minimalistic conversation happening, like very little, which could be bothering you again. So this person is in that energy right now where they're just not able to do anything. Okay, this person is very irritated, and right now, because of their several responsibilities, they are unable to focus on one thing, and those responsibilities are not something that they're doing it happily, it bogs them down. All right, that's the thing that I'm seeing. So now, if this resonates, let me see what is the advice for you here, pile 2. Page of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, Two of Pentacles. You have to put a choice in front of this person. I know it might just sound very bad that already this person is going through something and then you also come forward with so much of nonsense, but I guess this person performs under pressure. There are a lot of people like that. I am seeing that you will have to be in your power and make it very clear that you need at least this much. And it's either this much or it's nothing. Then you walk out. You have to present this choice in front of this person. Otherwise, you will keep suffering. You will keep suffering and you will not feel happy about it. So, I'm seeing that you will have to kind of get to that energy, okay, of being prepared that maybe when you make this offer to this person, all right, when you say this thing to this person that, okay, I at least need this much, I understand your situation, but I also have my own needs. When you put this situation across to this person, you need to have that confidence in yourself that this person can also say no. But since my job is to tell you what is going to make you sane or what you should do for your sanity, this thing is important. You have to do this. You have to say this to them so that they also know that you're not going to settle down for anything lesser than this. Because I see a page of pentacles here. So that's probably what you're looking for. At least this. Okay. Because page of pentacles is a stable, small offer. But it's an offer at the end of the day. So that is the advice that I'm seeing. You will have to say this to them. You will have to put this person. I know that right now maybe you are being very understanding. Okay. Maybe you feel that, okay, this person has a lot on their plate and I cannot be another problem in their life. But the whole thing is they're not even realizing how much you're suffering. You have to put that across to this person. That is what I'm seeing here. Okay, pile 2. So this is what I have for you. I hope this reading resonates, and private readings are open so you can reach out to me. Also, guys, I have the links given below for my Instagram page. One is for tarot, the other one is for crystals. So you can have a look at both, and if you're interested, please you can follow the pages. I shall see you soon with more readings. Take care. Bye. Okay, so pile 3, whoever chose this green aventurine crystal. So I picked up a couple of cards to see the overall energy, and I'll be picking up more cards to see majorly what's happening here. We look at your person's current energies, whoever you thought about before choosing this pile. Okay. So accidentally I have 2 cards from the light seers. I've just picked one for each, and this one had 2. So let's see what are their energies at the moment. Dedicated effort. Okay. The Empress. Ace of Cups. The World Tree. Okay, so this person is in love with you outrightly. And I'm seeing that this person is going to put in a lot of effort to make things work out between the two of you. Effort as in a good way. It's not going to be like forced effort, it's going to be dedicated effort. So this person is, let me just clarify this card, the World Tree. 1 minute. Four of Cups, the Star, Page of Wands. Okay, so this person right now, I think, is, you both have a connection, and now it's about taking it to the next level. So I think this person knows that you are somewhere very important to them. Okay, and this person is quite emotionally connected to you. Okay, they want to put an end to this confusion I am seeing. There is some kind of a confusion here between the two of you. And I have a feeling that this person wants to extend something towards you, but um, they are confused whether you are ready or not somewhere. It could be vice versa also. It's like I feel both of you have feelings, both of you want to make it happen, but somewhere it's like both of you are also confused somewhere that, okay, is he going to accept? Is she going to accept? However, for both of you, you both dream of being with each other. This I can see. And it makes both of you feel very happy and nice. Okay? But I am still seeing a bit of confusion. However, this person is completely like into you. This person is involved with you emotionally. The Empress is a card of somebody like who they see you as, I feel. And I'm like just feeling speechless while doing this reading. So the energies usually have an impact on me. So this person right now is like, how should I put it across? It's like they feel happy about your existence. Like, they feel happy about that you are there in their life, and they want to take it forward with you slowly, gradually. Dedication is the word. They want to slowly put in effort into this connection and make it grow. And they want you also to do the same thing. I think both of you feel very happy about each other's presence, and the confusion is being mirrored by both of you. That's what I'm seeing. Let's see. What else is this person currently thinking and feeling for you? Judgment. Three of Wheels, which is the Three of Pentacles, and Page of Swords. I am just seeing Wheel of Fortune, Seven of Cups, and the King of Wands. So I am just seeing that this person doesn't want to lose you. This awareness this person has, and they want to work on this connection. And I want to tell this, I think they want to say this to you also, that let's not give up on each other. Okay? I'm also seeing somewhere that this person right now is, it's not like they've seen the future. It's not like they're coming and proposing to you that, yes, let's just get married. That's not what they're saying. Okay? But they feel a certain way with you which they don't feel with anyone else. And this person is quite determined to make it happen. That's what I'm seeing. They're quite determined to make it happen. This person dreams a lot about you. There are some confusions involved here in your connection, but yes, this person really is very emotionally attached now to you, and they look forward to seeing you. They want to be with you. They want to spend time with you as much as they can, and they want to put in efforts to make this connection happen and work out. All right. Now, let me see if this resonates. What is the advice for you here? Advice for pile 3. 10 of Wands. Two of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. You need to put down certain kind of a burden. You have to speak up about it. You could be confused between two people. There could be too many things on your plate and that bothers you right now. Page of Pentacles, let's see. Think. Give yourself some time. I do, more than this person, I feel you're confused. So I feel give yourself time, give yourself a little bit of space and think about your situation. What exactly do you want to do? Here I am seeing that first understand what is burdensome for you. Whatever is a burden for you, that is what you need to put down out of the two situations that you're in. The moment you put down on the burden, you will see you feel very relaxed. And gradually, you don't have to do this like all at once, gradually move towards what makes you happy. Yes, there is confusion. So I'm seeing that this person is quite determined to work on this situation. Now you need to ask yourself what you want to do. Okay? That's what I'm seeing for you guys, pile 3. I hope this reading resonated. Let me know in the comments. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me, and I will see you soon with more readings. Also, guys, I have 2 pages on Instagram. One is for tarot, the other one is for crystals, so you can have a look at that. And you can check it out. You can follow it if you're interested. I do daily energy check-ins on my tarot page on Instagram. So let me know. Take care. Bye-bye.